Okay, guys, good to hear you once again. All right, this is Cal here. We are going to do our afternoon MAO right now. So let me just start my recording and then I'll start to share my screen. Okay. Okay, today is the 17th of May, 2021, Monday. Now, every day I will do two MAO, one in the morning to cover global market, one in the afternoon to do the solely for crypto. Of course, the last 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'll do a bit of a touch on the global financial market once again. So let's just start right now. Now, we saw a big movement this morning on Bitcoin, Ethereum, in fact, almost everything. All right, everything. Hi, Maurice, good to see you. All right, apparently itself, right, Elon Musk is now heavily wanted by fans. Now tell me, guys, if you're in crypto world, why is Elon Musk now wanted by fans? And the wanted is not the one, not one him. Okay, it's wanted. All right, it seems that people are very angry with Elon Musk. Can you tell me why is people very angry with Elon Musk? Let me hear you guys now, whether you guys are under the rock or you guys actually knowing what's happening. Please key your comment right now onto the comment box in the Facebook. Let me see whether you guys know exactly what's happening right now. Well, I will share with you more in much greater details very shortly, all right? So let me see your answers. Do you know why is Elon Musk now so, okay, Benetic, he are saying that pump and down by Elon Musk. Maurice says that many have suffered capital loss. Okay, fair enough. How about the rest? What do you think, guys? Do you know what's happening? What do you think? Okay, we have about 36 of you right now online. Let me see anybody more want to write in any stuff there. Good afternoon to you, Jonathan. All right, doesn't seem to be happening. Okay, never mind. I just continue. All right, so before we start my sharing, once again, we need you to understand disclaimer as usual. But before we do that, I would like to thank you once again for last Saturday, all your strong support. Okay, we have more than 300 people sign up and more than 240 people have claimed the ADA coin. All right, so we will be communicating with you very soon. We will PM to all the people who wrote I love crypto, and then we will contact you very shortly. Give us some time from today to Wednesday, right? There's so many of you, we need some time for that. But because of this great event itself, right? People know that why are we looking at ADA coin? Why are we looking at one club? And we also know that what US stock to look out for. Now, the thing is this, on Saturday after the event, right, I received a lot of messages from people asking me this question, right, Cal, you call for this crypto thingy, but on Sunday, the Bitcoin comes off, the Ethereum came off. So isn't that the best time to get out of the market now? Get out of the market. Yeah, they say that who knows, it may go lower. Now, I'm not too sure been following me. Over the last few days, I've been saying the same thing since last Monday. I've been saying the same thing repeatedly. All right, I say that for Bitcoin and Ethereum temporarily stayed out because I suspect that from Wednesday onwards, there will be some selling. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we saw some profit taking, and then this happening. And later on itself, right, I'll tell you my personal view of the cryptocurrency market. I still believe that there will be a bit more selling the next few days before we can see some bottom out. But the system of ours is actually calling it, all right, for a buy pretty soon. So I explained to you more in detail, but once again, I thank you for your support. And do note, once again, you have to give me a disclaimer. All right, so if you read this, okay, the next 5 seconds, you read through this, and if you understand that you need to protect yourself, you need to understand that whatever I share is based on my personal opinion. You have accepted the above and indemnify me. If you are good to go, good to stay. All right, count to 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're staying on means that you already understand the disclaimer. Okay, let me continue. Now, before we go to Elon Musk, let me tell you something big first. Okay, now Binance, oh my God, the biggest exchange Binance is under probe. Okay, now apparently Binance Holding, okay, Limited is under investigation by the Justice Department and the Internal Revenue Services. Okay, and sneering the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange in US effort to root out illicit activity that's thriving. Okay, in short itself, basically the Justice Department and the IRS are all going after Binance, because apparently it's all right. There seem to be a lot of illegal activity, which basically in short money laundering, I'll put it directly. Now, apparently it's all right. You know this guy called Zhao Changpeng. All right, when this guy came in, Changpeng, sorry, he came in as well, right? He really turned around Binance, all right? And after that, obviously, is all right. He have created such a powerful exchange that almost practically, right, everybody was all having Binance account. So now the thing is this, probably somebody get some upset now, they get this thing to come in. Now, in case you don't know about Binance, but let me explain something to you very important. Now, Binance is incorporated in Cayman Islands, if you don't know that, and has an office in Singapore. Yeah, that's why we have Binance Singapore. But it lacks of a single corporate headquarters, okay? So in short itself, right, there seem to be some funds are tied to some criminal activity. Apparently, that's what they are being said. So Binance is coming out and say that nope, we know what's going, we don't know what's going on, and we think that right, they're still within the right part of this entire structure. So they say that they will help to build a robust compliance program to basically, prevent anti-money laundering, stuff like that. So, but the thing is this, you can see recently, right, that this Colonial Pipeline company, right, remember, it basically have a fuel shortage recently because there was a group of Eastern Europe hackers coming in and they demanded $5 million payment, right, ransom. Now, last time when you do ransom, you drop the money physically cash, not in series. And then after that itself, right, okay, you don't need to do that. But then what happened? Okay, nowadays, no need anymore, okay? Nothing anymore. All right, you don't need to have any more of this. Okay, you just basically use a cryptocurrency. It's untraceable. You can just transfer to anybody, and then you cannot trace it. That is now how powerful it is. So actually, now this cryptocurrency is going to give a very good opener to a lot of this type of hackers. All right, so that is what's happening right now, and Binance under probe. By the way, I just get some information just this moment ago. Elon Musk 5 minutes ago just said that to clarify speculation, Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin, and immediately we saw Bitcoin already move up. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. It's really wow, suddenly the news has came up. Okay, let me just bring in this one now. Let's take a look. Okay, can we see right now? Yep, here we go. Can you see? Suddenly we see that Bitcoin from this point here, about 42,000, shoot up to 45,000, $3,000 just like that, okay? This is incredible, and one man speaks all. All right, well, nothing new. Let's just continue first. All right, this is incredible. They just tweeted, okay, just moments ago. Okay, so that is really how crazy this guy is. Okay, so that is Binance, but let's look at the main thing is Elon Musk. Okay, now last Friday, Dogecoin rallies and Elon Musk tweet. Okay, now Elon Musk seeming like basically superseding what Donald Trump did last time, the king of tweeting. He's now basically sending out information just by tweeting. And because of that, he says that there is a good chance that Coinbase listing for Dogecoin, right? For Dogecoin. And so apparently Dogecoin shoot up to 56 cents. And that was what happened. And he was saying that, there is a good chance of this. Now, there's something that I want to ask a question. I mean, even my friend asked me this question. Now, definitely Elon Musk is a genius. Undeniable, and he has the money. Now the thing is this, initially the Tesla come with Bitcoin, understand, then after that he become the king, the godfather of Dogecoin, understand also. But the question is, my mind is that why don't he just create his own coin and that's it? It's even easier, right? So that's the question mark that we all have. Why don't he just create his own coin? I'm sure he has the power, resources, and means to do that. So I was telling my friend of mine, I said, look, maybe he doesn't want to reinvent the wheel. And rather than promote Bitcoin, which is someone else's baby, maybe he have bought a lot of Dogecoin apparently, and now he wants to basically corner this. I don't know. I'm just in my opinion, all right? But end of the day now, he have techs working with Doge developer to improve system transaction efficiency, and it's potentially promising. Now, it seems to be that he's quite confident that he can bring Dogecoin to the next level. And of course, that's what everybody wanted it to happen. And because of that itself, right, okay, people are also warning at the same time, right? They say that this is actually a very dangerous, a highly speculative asset. And of course, this actually stoked a potential of bubble. And a Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey warned crypto investors should be prepared to lose all your money. Oh my God. echoing a similar warning from UK Financial Conduct Authority. All right. So the thing is this, there are people who are very upset with this. They think that this whole thing is just a scam. This is just only a bubble, a tulip mania. But on the flip note itself, right, Elon Musk is still, really promoting it. Now that is that on as of last Friday. But Sunday, which is yesterday or this morning, oh my God, look at it. This is how bad it is, okay? Elon Musk suddenly really got wanted, all right? To the point that people now are going to create a coin, okay? A coin that literally F Elon, all right? Seriously, that is terrible. So because what happened? Because Elon went to text something about Bitcoin. And straight away itself, right? Okay, Bitcoin came coming off and everything just come up. Because I told you before, Bitcoin is really the mother hen. So if the mother hen gets sick or get attacked, then all the chicks at the bottom will get hit. So apparently now people are getting very, very upset with him. Because number one is, right, he said that now Tesla are not going to accept Bitcoin. And the next tweet is here that now he said that maybe Tesla has sold away Bitcoin. Oh my God, maybe, okay, maybe. And also because of his Saturday Night Live, he didn't really clarify his position with Dogecoin. And he actually says that, right, it's a hustle. Straight away, Dogecoin came off from 30 cents. That's why at the time I keep on warning people, don't get involved first. But for proof of pullback, which somewhere around now here, you can consider to take a look. All right, so take a look right now. You can see here. Okay, let me just some PowerPoint not done properly. Hold on a minute. Okay, so Elon Musk, all right, as of this morning, suggests Tesla may have is not certainly have, not done deal. So apparently a statement like this has sent ripples down, causes Bitcoin to come off very badly, all right? Apparently Bitcoin lost 8%. Wow, 8% in a single move, all right? Because Elon Musk is known to be the big supporter for cryptocurrency, and we like basically giving all his talks about crypto. By saying this itself, right, it's really like, playing people's feeling. And of course, with that thing happening, what happened? Can you take a look? Straight away itself, right? It caused the Bitcoin to drop, and people get very upset. Like this influential venture investor called Fred, a founding partner of Union Square Ventures, tweeted on Friday, he's playing games. It's so hard to take anyone who does that seriously, right? He felt that he lost great amount of respect for him. I think that is a point. Everybody, take Elon Musk like a god of fortune, and whatever he says, these people follow. But they really forgot that at the end of the day, he is still a businessman. Elon Musk is a businessman. So obviously, he will take advantage of situation, and obviously, I think he done that. So of course, this will cause people to disrespect him, but end of the day, it's still business, okay? So end of the day, you can now look at it that he is more looking towards to move Bitcoin into the Dogecoin, and seemingly he felt that Dogecoin could be the main payment for their mission to Mars. All right, so that is just only this area, more to go. So now with this, one of the hedge fund manager, Gunlock, he says that, right, this Bitcoin and crypto is the poster boy, poster child for Elon Musk, and he thinks that this is going to be out of control very soon. Now we can see very clearly how the crypto market behaved, where Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything just came off the moment when Elon Musk have actually spoken. So this is going to be crazy. So one single person can actually, move the market. And now Elon Musk just says that, okay, they didn't sell. Okay, the market went up again. So don't you think that he's just creating a playground of this? And don't know how many people got hit by this. So I'll be upfront with you. If you don't have a system to follow it, or you don't have a strategy to play with it, you're going to be hit by him definitely for sure in the long haul. All right. But of course, if this is going to be continued, right, sooner or later, right, he may have to pay his dues, in my personal opinion. Oh, okay. So sorry, there's something that's went wrong. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay. All right, you can see now Elon Musk is really having his threats all being whacked. You see all the different influential itself are all whacking him pretty hard, okay, pretty hard. And of course, he even jipped it back by saying that, have you got PayPal? All right, and even say people who doesn't know how money works. So it become a bit of a social battle at the moment now for Elon Musk. It's like he's trying to help, but in a way, he's also trying to piss many people off. In this case, it's right. Don't you find it very similar to Tesla? When Tesla was actually in a very bad position, he went to smoke weed and then created more problem. Then he went to SEC telling people that he's going to do this nationalize, want to privatize the Tesla. And of course, many people at that time hated him so much. But what happened to Tesla? Went all the way up itself, right? Don't you find this is something similar? It's just basically pissing everybody off while actually probably controlling the market. And this is my personal take is this. Yeah, indeed. So you can see now more people whack him online, all the crypto influencers, they are actually saying that, right, watching Elon Musk about to quit Bitcoin, his ego is too big, and he used to dump people kissing his ass, all right, cannot tolerate people, things like that. So they're basically ridiculing him online, they're just whacking him very hard. Okay, some of them say that, right, he is really a big risk, and some even say that he's actually making Peter Schiff, okay, seems more rational. Oh my God. All right, so you can see, again, collecting this from the internet. Oh, this is bad. I like this one, although. Elon Musk here at crypto, okay? When he discovered Bitcoin, he loves it, that's true. Learning about Bitcoin mining, he hates it because there's a lot of costs involved. Then when he discovered Dogecoin, he loves it. Learn about it through limitation, hates it. Then now proposing fixing Dogecoin for 10 years obsolete clutch. All right, so in short itself, right, he's just playing around. So, but playing around yields money. If I think end of the day, if the money is what we all of us are going for, then obviously this guy is really the kingpin, put it this way. So with all this thing itself, right, so what should we do with this Bitcoin and Ethereum or Dogecoin? What do you think, guys? Should we still continue to trust Elon Musk? What do you think? If you think that I should trust Elon Musk, key the word trust right now. If you say, nope, no way you can trust this guy anymore, just key the word no, right? Let me see how of you, what is your take? There's 77 of you guys. Let me hear what's your view. I'll glad to hear your view now. Okay. Okay, so we have is Jerry say no, Freddie say trust, Rick say no, Leo say no, Edwin trust, Fred time bomb for crypto, Ziming no, Brian no, King Hua no, Jimmy no. Okay, Kevin also no. All right, so you guys have made your comments. All right, thank you so much for participating. Now, if you're going to ask me this, is right, there's nothing to trust at all. What to trust, seriously? I mean, you're here to make money, right? If you believe that Bitcoin will go to $100,000, just buy and keep, and that's about it. Okay, you want to look for cheap price, you trust the charts exactly. You trust the charts, you trust the system. That's it, nothing else. All right, if you have a robot that trades for you, as long as your robot is functioning at this worst time period, then trust the robot. That is how I see it, okay? Indeed, exactly, all right? There's no way you can trust anybody here in this market. Seriously, everybody got their own gender. I mean, if you're in Elon Musk's position, and let's say you are up by $500 million profit, would you not get out? Seriously, over some people's dead body? I'm pretty sure you will too, all right? Let's just be honest and upfront here. So think about this for one moment, all right? So that's why on last Saturday, when we asked our expert, crypto expert Mike, he was saying that, right, from one of the overseas banks, they gave a quote that this Bitcoin can go to $318,000. So do you trust that? That's the first thing. If you trust that, then you just stick with that. So it means now it's cheap, all right? So that is how I see it. All right, now for me, it's all right. Let's ask yourself a question here. Okay, I'm not too sure really who to trust or what Elon Musk, but I have seen how he works, and his style is always like this. He likes to become the clown at that moment, and then when things change over and when you reach a high peak itself, right, you usually see his common ethics. He will become like a clown again. So there's two clowns here. One clown is at the bottom, one clown is at the top. So the question is now, this clown now, which part of it, top or bottom? That is the point. So if you think that this guy now is being a clown on the top, then that means there's more downside to go. If you think that this guy is being a clown at the bottom, then maybe very soon we will see some bottoming out. All right. So that is my point. All right. So this is the guy that I think that don't even bother by him. Just look at the chart. It'll be better for all of us. Okay. All right. So let's just take a look what happened on Sunday itself. Sunday. So Sunday, even though Bitcoin has came off, right, if you follow the chart, all right, if you follow the chart, right, so how would you have traded based on the TWB system? Let me just show to you. Very simple. First of all, look at the screen. You see blue turns green, you look up. Now, if it's red bars, you just wait until you see yellow. Then when you see yellow turns red, you go in to buy. And if let's say the wheels, if the wheels is green, if the KSI is green in color, the wheels came in, you can buy. Now, 2 ticks means that you can make as much as $500 from the Bitcoin entry price. Okay, so that's the first wave. Now, the second wave, you can see same thing again. All right, when you see blue turn green, you go up, likely you see a red bar, you wait for a while, see red to yellow, you look for buy. And of course, if the KSI happen to be green in color, you should be looking for upside, which indeed, eventually the Bitcoin went higher and we earned another 2 more ticks. Then after that, a while later, if you miss the first 2 trades, there's a third trade coming in. You can see it right here. Blue turn green for the KCX. Look out for color change, red to yellow, which you have bought in. And then you wait for a while. Eventually, you may make some profit about 1 tick. Now, during the class, I'll teach you how to go for 1 tick, 2 tick, 3 ticks, all right? The right professional way. Okay, so in short itself, right, yesterday, Sunday, 3 trades, you will yield 3 wins. Not bad, right? That is for Bitcoin. That's pretty good. Okay, now that was Bitcoin live. Now you can see now for Ethereum. Now yesterday Ethereum was pretty bad. Right, let me explain this to you. Right, first of all, let's look at the chart once again. First of all, you can see blue turn green. You look out for color change, which actually happened. So you go for red to yellow. The KSI turned green. So there was some intermittent upside. All right, then we score some points over here. Now for 2 ticks itself is about $10 to $15 around there. Okay, but of course later on the market started to sell. Blue turned green, red to yellow we buy, but unfortunately this trade was stop out. Stop out means the stop loss was triggered, so we lost some money here. But then after that, later on the thing come back in again. Red turns to yellow, blue turns to green. You look for buy, and indeed there was some profit. And the thing repeated one more time right here. Blue turned to green. Now over here, you couldn't have entered because even though blue turned to green, but there was no red to yellow, you can't enter. You must wait for red to yellow to enter. So that is where you should enter. And of course, we make 1 tick again, but next 2 trade, we got hit. Next 2 trade, although the KCX turned from blue to green and red turns to yellow, but unfortunately, there was some selling on Ethereum. And basically because of that, 2 losses. But if you gave up, and then you don't trade, you will miss the trade again later on. So overall itself, right, we have 8 trades. It's quite a fair bit for one single day for Ethereum. We have about 5 wins. 5 wins for 8 trades, not too bad. That's why our accuracy is between about 86% on a day-to-day schedule, okay? So guys, you hope you understand what I just shared. So look out for KCX, look out for color change, look out for the KSI, 3 ways of looking at it. So always the same step. Number 1, look out for the bottom here. Then after that, look up. Look out for color change. Red turns to yellow. Number 3, check if the boys are in. If the boys are in, you can hold on to the trade. All right, Ziming, for this crypto, right, we only trade M5 and day chart. The remaining time frame, like M1 is too fast. M15 and M30 a bit slow. H1, H4, not really the best choice. So we prefer M5 or day chart. All right. Okay, Ziming, hope I clarify. Okay, so that is what happened for the recap of what happened on Sunday's market. Now let's go live and take a look. How do we trade for the longer term for this cryptocurrency right now? Okay, so first of all, let's look at the Bitcoin day chart first. Now, Bitcoin day chart shows very clearly that yesterday already the KCX turned from blue to green and is flashing already. So that's why today and the next few days, be very careful. Bitcoin may recover. That's why just now Bitcoin came down, right? It recovers off here. So for Bitcoin at this moment, if you look at the chart from the longer term, Bitcoin the last 2-3 months, okay, seemingly it's more towards the downside. But if you look carefully for Bitcoin, before you have your own thoughts, you can take a look here. Now, whenever Bitcoin, the KCX blink for the day chart, there's 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. If you look carefully during these five different periods since 2020, it almost identically proven that if you trust the color change, red turns to yellow, and you buy Bitcoin, right, you are more or less going to make money. All right. So that's why now we are actually holding and waiting. Now the KCX already started to blink on the Bitcoin. So we just need to wait for the color change from red to yellow. That will be a good time to look into Bitcoin once again. But of course, for those people adventurous, they want to go in faster, right? You can go in and look at it to do that. Okay, so that is for the Bitcoin traders if you want to do that. Okay, all right. So we are just waiting for the right moment now to get involved into the market. Okay, waiting for Bitcoin. Okay, so that is the Bitcoin strategy for the day chart. So traders stand by for that. Now that is Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Now this is Ethereum. Now Ethereum came off from quite a fair bit on all the way down. Okay, earlier it's all right. We could have saw the KCX blinking, but not now. It was already recovered. So I will say this up front, guys. If any time for the day chart, if KCX do blink on a day chart, that means it's a good time to buy for long term. Now day chart is meant for long term. Okay, so now you can see that the last time when on a day chart we saw this moment, these two moments here, and indeed big Ethereum went all the way up from 1001 to 2003. It was two separate buy, and obviously the market went up. So hopefully in the near term we can see KCX blinking on a day chart and wait for the color change over to from red to yellow. That will present another great time to buy into this Ethereum. All right, so we will inform you guys when is a good time to buy through this daily afternoon MAO. All right, so you guys please put your eyes on it. If not, it's all right. You can actually join us and get the indicators for free. Now, for those who join us on last Saturday, the instruction have been given to you. You can actually download the indicator once you have actually opened up a live account with the broker AIMS FX. You do not need to fund it. You just have to open an account. We will be able to help you and assist you. And then after that, once it's done, you can actually get to see the crypto trading, Bitcoin and Ethereum on your own, right? You can do that. Okay, so that is the Bitcoin and Ethereum technical chart for now, right? In terms of using my TWB system. Now, allow me to do a bit of conventional chart showing. Conventional chart means that what traditionally people use. Now, over here, you can see that the market is trading now below the moving averages. So this shows that there'll be potential more downside to go for this Bitcoin also. So for today, we suspect that Bitcoin will be resisted at about 46,000, which is happening right now. So in the RSI reading, if today the market closed below 45,000, maybe tomorrow there might be some intermittent recovery. That's tomorrow, okay, maybe. So we cover this more. But the last time when we see the market have the moving averages showing in this manner, we did see that the Bitcoin did came off quite a fair bit before recovering. So I suspect that Bitcoin tomorrow might see some recovery unless Elon Musk spring up some surprises again. Okay, so that is for Bitcoin. And for Ethereum, now for Ethereum, it's a bit clearer. You can see that recently I mentioned that Ethereum, okay, there will be some resistance around 4,400. It really happens. So now what are we looking at? Basically for Ethereum, hold on. Right, for Ethereum, you can see over here right now. Ethereum now is trading below the MA11, but still above MA70. So I kind of suspect that, right, if Ethereum do come down, if we can come down to this point here, which is a bit tough call, but it's possible, 2,800 will be a lovely level to buy into Ethereum. But of course, if we start to recover, then our system calls for it. We will inform you too. So guys, for Ethereum, in my opinion, Ethereum has more room to go. And now this price, 3,004, is a good price compared to 4,004. But if you can go any nearer to 2,008 to 3,000, right, I believe that will be a better call. Okay, that will be a better call. Okay, so that will be the Ethereum and Bitcoin for now. Now, because our broker can only does only provide Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can go to others. But if you're looking about asking me about what I feel about the other coins, I can give to you my personal take. Now, Dogecoin, in my opinion, Dogecoin to me, my opinion is still a buy. All right, then what price would that be, right, to be a buyer, right? I think between 48 cents to 49 cents. You can try a little bit first, just a little bit. But if you want to be much more certain, right, you can wait for it to go down to about this price here, about 41 cents. 41. Now, I'm not saying that you go down 41, but if you want to buy about 41 cents, you can try. If not, it's now 48 to 49 right now, right? I suspect that could be the temporary bottom for now for Dogecoin, all right? Now, for Cardano, right, I said this counter is a good counter. Now, it went at a high of recently hit about 246. Then after that, now came off, right? Now, I suspect that this counter will be able to find some strength soon at about $2.10. So if you can hang above $2.10, I suspect that you go back to about 250 to 260 again. Okay, so this is my personal take for Cardano. All right, so two of them, Cardano and Dogecoin, I still think that they will be still doing well in the time to come. Okay, all right, so that is the sharing on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hope you like it and hope you guys will make some money out of that. Now, I'm going to go right now to the financial market for a quick one, an overview of today's financial market. Let's say now Hong Kong. Now, Hong Kong, you can see today has been pretty sideways. Since morning until now, Hong Kong has been sideways. There's no much direction, so we'll wait for a while. Then for China A50, China A50, yes, rally up big time, cross the MA 200 over here. So most likely China A50 is going for the 17,700 region. All right, that's the first one to look out for. Then after that, we look at the US Dow Jones. Let's take a look, quick one. Okay, Dow Jones is currently now trading from the opening price. It went downwards, but it got itself supported at pivot 2. So as long as market stay above pivot 2, there will be some artificial support at the moment. But if market loses pivot 2, well, there could be some selling for the US Dow Jones, all right? That is the Dow Jones. And you can look at the Nasdaq. Now, Nasdaq is also trading sideways. Now, if the Bitcoin do stabilize around here, Nasdaq should be all right, because apparently there's a lot of counters are, having Bitcoin as their one of their main revenue earner. So if Bitcoin can recover, Nasdaq should also recover. But at the moment now, Nasdaq seems to be holding fort at this KTR -1 level temporarily. And last one, S&P 500. Well, it also behaved the same thing like the Nasdaq. And also same thing, it's been supported at the pivot 2 for the day. All right, pivot 2 of the day. So we will wait for more actions or more movement before we can update once again. And now we have the German DAX going to open up soon. Just open, sorry. German DAX has opened, is gap down. So if German DAX fail to stay above 15,378, we do see some pullback again down to about 15,266 for the DAX. Okay, so that is basically most of the stuff that we need to offer to you. All right, just take note once again. My personal take is this for Ethereum. If any time it goes down further to maybe 3,300 to 3,200, that could be a lovely time to look out for buying opportunity for Ethereum, okay? All right, so that will be all for today's afternoon MAO. I hope that you guys enjoy this session. Once again, every day for 2 p.m., same place. All right, I will be sharing my views on the cryptocurrency market. All right, till then again, guys, have a great day. Cheers, bye-bye.